Welcome back to the Japan FinTech Observer. Get ready for a quick hit of the latest news in Japanese finance and fintech. We're diving into the headlines, breaking down the trends, and leaving you with the insights you need to stay ahead of the curve. Let's go!
When the Japanese stablecoin regulation was formulated, from the perspective of financial stability, particular attention was given to digital money type stablecoins, which are, or are claimed to be, linked to one or more fiat currencies, since they are susceptible to runs. To address the risk of a run, policy measures were to be taken to ensure redemption at par and price stabilization. To this end, in Japan, only banks, fund transfer service providers, and trust companies are entitled to issue digital money type stablecoins, which are issued at a price linked to the value of one or more fiat currencies and promise redemption at par. These issuers of digital money type stablecoins need to meet sufficient levels of user protection and AML-CFT requirements. In addition, each is subject to the requirement to ensure redemption, as follows. First, banks issue stablecoins as deposits, also commonly known as tokenized deposits. Banks are already subject to prudential regulations, and stablecoin holders are protected by deposit insurance in the same manner as conventional bank deposits. Second, fund transfer service providers issue stablecoins as claims on outstanding obligations. They are required to secure the obligation through either money deposits with official depositories, bank guarantees, or entrusted safe assets, such as bank deposits and government bonds. Third, trust companies issue stablecoins as trust beneficiary rights. They are required to hold all the trusted assets in the form of bank deposits. So far, there have been 2 issuances of tokenized deposits under the stablecoin regulation that came into effect in July 2023. The first is the Suzu Tochika, issued by Hokoku Bank in April 2024. The second is the DCJPY, issued by GMO Aozora Net Bank at the end of August. First, Hokoku Bank originally planned to start circulating Suzu Tochika, a stablecoin that can be used in Suzu City, around winter 2023, but got delayed to the beginning of the new fiscal year. A Tochika account can be opened by registering a bank deposit account for charging on the Tochitsuka app. After opening, the wallet can be charged from the registered bank account, with 1 Tochika equating to 1 yen, and later redeemed at the same rate. Tochika is accepted at Tochituka member stores. The settlement fee for the Suzu Tochika is set at 0.5%, which is close to the lowest level internationally. The spread of inexpensive cashless payment methods will increase the use of cashless payments in the region and digitalize the point system in Suzu City, thereby contributing to the circulation of funds in the region and improving productivity. Second, Decurret DCP, GMO Aozora Net Bank, and Internet Initiative Japan have started tokenization of environmental values such as non-fossil certificates and associated settlement transactions in the stablecoin DCJPY, minted by GMO Aozora Net Bank in the DCJPY network, a system released by Decurret DCP for production verification this July and officially launched at the end of August. Digital currencies have the potential to improve the convenience of cashless settlement, to achieve transparency and immediacy of transactions, to reduce operating cost, and to facilitate the creation of new financial services. GMO Aozora Net Bank is taking on the challenge of creating new forms of deposit accounts and currencies in anticipation of further digital transformation of society as one of the new initiatives in its banking-as-a-service business. The bank is taking on the role of a minting bank for the digital currency DCJPY,